Iterate odd numbers with a for loop. For loops don't have to iterate one at a time. By changing our final expression, we can count by even numbers. We'll start at I is assigned a value of 0 and loop while I is less than 10. We'll increment I by 2 each loop with I plus equals 2. So we have an example here of doing just that. Firstly, we declared variable our array to an empty array. And we have a for loop with our initialization statement. Variable I is assigned a value of 0. And as long as I is less than 10, our code should run. Each iteration, I should be incremented by 2. And for our loop, our array should push the value of I into our array each iteration. This will cause our array to contain values 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Let's change our initialization so we can count by odd numbers. So we are tasked with pushing the odd numbers from 1 through 9 to my array using a for loop. So we can do this as follows. We already have variable myArray declared as an empty array. So let's establish our statements for our for loop. Our initialization statement should be variable I set to 1. Since we're counting by odd numbers, we'll start from the first. Our condition statement should be as long as I is less than 10. Our code should run. That could also be as long as I is less than or equal to 10. But in this exercise, we're just going to leave it like that. And our variable I should be incremented by 2. And as long as all this is going on, the value of I should be pushed into my array. And this code is now done. So let's log variable myArray into the console and see what we're working with. Log myArray. And there we go. We've successfully pushed the odd numbers 1 through 9 to variable myArray by using a for loop. Thank you so much for watching.